Thanks Naomi, Kelsa and Clara Lovato for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making my high olive recipe, and it's actually 80% olive oil, 10% coconut and 5% each of castor and shea butter. I recently tweaked this recipe. I never actually used to add shea butter, but I thought just to make it a little bit more luxurious and creamy, I will incorporate the shea butter, and sadly the shea butter is actually cheaper than the olive oil at the moment, so it does put the cost down a little bit, you know, obviously from a business standpoint, but it's amazing, you know, the skin feel also that it provides, and yeah, because it's such a high recipe with olive oil, and it's only got 10% coconut, I do the super fat at 3% for this, just to help keep the bars hard as possible, and you know, to lather up as much as possible as well. And yeah, so I thought I'd just bring you along with me. It's just going to be two color, just a simple design, mostly just the white kaolin clay, so the neutral color, and then just a tiny split off for green Australian clay. And this is the last bit of green Australian clay that I have and that you can buy, as they are no longer mining it, which is very sad. So yes, as usual for me, once the oils have cooled down, I add the sodium lactate and the sugar syrup straight into the oils, and then I give it a good blend just to make sure everything's well, and the natural vitamin E as well, sorry. And I still give it a thick blend before I add the live water, just to make sure everything's mixed and incorporated well. And yeah, so it's just basically very simple today, but I like to show, because a lot of my customers do like to see how I make bars. So I thought, since I've made these look a little different and the recipe is altered just slightly, that I will bring everyone along with me to show how I make these bars. And these bars I've been making and selling since I actually started selling soap. So this is just like one of my traditional staple recipes that I'll always keep around, and it's just a nice beautiful bar, especially in winter. It's just really gentle, and it's suitable for all types of skin, and as you know, people that have followed me for a while, I have skin issues and have very sensitive skin and dermatitis, eczema prone skin, so this recipe in winter is absolutely beautiful. For summer I tend to lean towards high cleansing bars because I have very oily skin. And so I generally do, I use the ocean water bars that I make because they're quite cleansing. But this summer in particular, my skin has been more oily than usual. I'm not sure why, but I actually been using a 50-50 cocoa rice bran recipe with 0% super fat, because that's how oily my skin is at the moment. So that's suiting me very well, but I couldn't use that in winter. I tend to reach for bars like this in winter. And they're just really nice and gentle and doesn't strip the skin. Alright, so I'm going to quit my yakking, just stick around and enjoy the soap making process, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks all.